Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. In this video I want to show you how to make a summer salad with eggplants and zucchini. Slice the eggplants and sprinkle salt all over. Do the same with the zucchini. With your hands, mix the vegetables to make sure the salt is all incorporated. Let it sit for 20 minutes. Dry with paper towels. To make the condiment, mix the parsley with the garlic, the salt, and extra virgin olive oil. Mix until combined. Cook the vegetables in a large non-stick pan until they are brown on both sides. Place the vegetables in a platter and add the condiment. Continue cooking the rest of the vegetables and layer with olive oil and the condiment we previously made. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time.